learners. Thank you for tuning in today. The lesson for today will be based on tariffs, basically municipal tariffs as well as telephone tariffs. Did you know that the more you use something, the more you'll end up paying for it? How so? For an example, when you spend a long time on a phone call, you will end up using a lot of airtime and you'll end up paying more for that particular call. And those are tariffs. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to define concepts in relation to tariffs, calculate the cost using the given formulas, determine the missing values, and understand the concepts of peak and off-peak. The basic thing that we're going to focus on now is going to be our tariffs. Under tariffs, we've broken it down into two parts. The first part is going to be the municipal tariffs, and the second part will be the telephone tariffs. You should know how to read information from a financial document. You should be able to calculate rates and also identify municipal tariffs. The pre-knowledge practice now, you are given a financial document from Ushaka Municipality. This is Mr. Lakindlovu's financial document, and it is giving us information based on how many kiloliters of water that they've used in the month of April. So the first question says, how many units were used for the month of April? We go to the statement, then we check. They gave us the previous reading, which is 351,679. This is not the amount of units that Mr. Ndlovu has used. This is just the reading on the meter box. Then we've got current reading, it's A, it's a missing value. Then we are given the usage. What is this usage? It is the amount of kiloliters that Mr. Ndlovu has used for the month of April. So your answer here will be 125 kiloliters, because the unit for water is kiloliters. It's given there. Then question 2 says, what is the municipal tariff for water consumption? So this question was preempted in the first answer. So the unit for a municipal water consumption would be kiloliters, because they are charging us now 31.5 cents for using this amount of kiloliters. So the unit will be kiloliters. And then the third question says, calculate the cost of using 125 kiloliters of water using the given rate. What is that rate? It is this 0.315 kilo per kiloliter, and also the 125, which is the amount of units that they've used. So what we're going to do is we're going to say 125 kiloliters multiplied by our rate, which is 0.1315, pardon me. Then we get your answer. You need your calculator all the time when you are watching a math literacy class. You need your calculator. So let's punch that on the calculator. We've got 125 multiplied by 0.315, which gives us 39 rand 375. But we know that money is always to two decimal places, so we need to round off. Then 5 is greater. Then we add a 1 to the 7. Then it becomes 39.38 rands. The new words that we'll be focusing on would be tariff. We have to define what a tariff is. A tariff is a charge in rand per measuring unit of a specific service, such as water, electricity, telephone calls, and also transport. For an example, a call is charged at 1.25 rand per minute. If you would spend more than 2 minutes, you will have to take that tariff and multiply it by the number of minutes you spend to get your answer. Prepaid tariff. A prepaid tariff now, it's a billing structure where the services are paid upfront or in advance. For an example, buying electricity of 150 and loading it onto your prepaid meter. That says now this is the amount of money that you have for particular units that you will get to use. Another example would be when you recharge your phone with airtime and you want to make a call. You can't call first and then make a call. You can't call first and then buy airtime. You have to buy airtime first and then make a call. The next word will be the contract tariff. Contract tariff now, it's a billing structure where the services are paid on a monthly basis or on a fixed contract term which includes subscription fees. For an example, paying $550 per month for a cell phone contract and paying fixed amounts for calls and SMSs. Okay, learners, let's take a quick ad break and then we'll continue afterwards.